Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete a project in Asana. Very much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana account, which of course I've done right here. And the next thing is I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your account in Asana. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type asana.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Asana. Once you get into the website, look at the top right corner, you're going to see the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the process to create your account. And of course, once you are done creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to the fantastic homepage where you can now explore all the features to have an exciting time on Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's step, which is how to delete a project in Asana. So, you created a project and you want to delete it because the project is closed, or you mistakenly created a project and you want to get rid of it because that's not what you want. Here's exactly what you can do. Head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see a couple icons with headings: My Tax, Inbox, Reporting, Portfolios, Goals. And you're going to see your projects. These are my projects: Community Project Plan, Cross-Functional Project Plan, Digital Marketing Campaign. So let's say I want to get rid of one because it's just completely useless to me. That's my reason. Your reason could be different. Click on the project that you want to delete. So here we go. Follow the cursor where you have the title of your project, Digital Marketing Campaign. Just right beside it. You're not going to miss it. You're going to see this drop down icon and it has this heading called Project Actions. Click on that. You're going to see an extended menu with the project details, review project permissions, set color icon, copy project link, duplicate, save a template, add portfolio, import, export, and print, archive, and then you have what we're looking for. Delete project. Just graciously click on delete project, and here it says, this will delete the project along with any unassigned text that are only the project, custom fields that are local to this project, rules in this project, text templates in this project, read all the links of this project, so delete everything. You're gonna have to click on delete, get rid, and that's off. Here you have your banner that says this was created, this was deleted. You can undo it if you change your mind, but if you don't want, come on, click on this close. Click on close if you don't want to undo. And as you can see, that's not on my project listed link again. So just have two projects, so that has been gotten rid of. So this is pretty much how you can delete a project. In Asana, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search